Welcome back to the Silly Kitchen. Today I want to take you through a really easy, simple smoked fish recipe on the Traeger. I am going to show you just how simple it is to get some beautiful quality smoked fish in a very short amount of time. So let's go through the process, the ingredients, and everything to do with making a smoked rainbow trout. Get your smoker turned on, heat it up, get your pellets in, and we're going to be cooking our trout at 225 degrees. Now, you do need to do a few different things before actually getting your fish on the smoker. I have combined brown sugar, garlic powder, and salt into a bowl. And I don't measure anything, but if I needed to tell you kind of the quantities here, it would be 6 parts brown sugar, 1 part garlic powder, and 2 parts salt. Just give it a nice mix with your fingers. I've patted my trout fillets dry just with a paper towel, and using saran wrap on the bottom, I'm going to put in a little bit of that brown sugar mixture, place my fillet on top, and then spread a whole bunch more of that mixture on top and really rub it in. Seal it tight with that saran wrap, and we're going to put it in the fridge for about 2.5 hours before we put it onto the smoker. Once you take it out of the fridge, you're going to see moisture has really come out of some of that fish. Don't worry about it. Just pull your fish out of your saran wrap, let it sort of drip some of that moisture off, and then place it into your smoker. Close your Traeger smoker and do not look at it for 2 hours. For the last 15 minutes of cooking, what I'm going to do is turn up the smoker to 300 degrees just to give it a little extra heat before serving it for my dinner. That way it's nice and hot. I love the temperature, and this fish turned out perfect in such a short amount of time compared to, having to do hours and hours of brining and, prepping your fish. This really does work. It takes a couple of hours and you have a beautiful rainbow trout dinner ready to go. Being very new to the smoker world, this is definitely a recipe that I think is flawless and anybody can do. Like I said in my previous videos about smoking and using this Traeger, I find it much easier than any other method of cooking. You just put stuff in there, close it, and you're done. Then I just murdered a bug on me. Ow. Thank you so much for stopping by the Silly Kitchen, the Traeger smoker version of a few videos coming up. Stay tuned. I've got more recipes that I've really enjoyed on this smoker that I'm excited to share with you. See you next time.